Mwachimeleze onyeze.
See, babe. Hey, the way.
I am waiting for one phone call that will better my life. I am waiting for one phone call that will turn things around. I am waiting for one phone call that will turn everything for my good. I am waiting for one phone call that will bless my life. The call of favor, the call of grace, college boutique, college boutique, the call of success, the call of greatness, the call of favor, anointed call. If no be God, they run am. Hold am, I no want am, brother. Waiting Baba God do no fit, he no dey exist, yo. No be to know 100 people for life, na to know the right person, the right door to knock, the right phone number to call. If destiny help, I pick your call. If your destiny help, I pick your call, brother. It's not of it that will let, it's not of it that runneth, it's of the Lord that showeth mercy and connection. Life is all about connection, from nobody to somebody. Yeah. One living lion is better than 1,000 goats. The call of favor, the call of grace, college boutique, college boutique, the call of success, the call of greatness, the call of favor, anointed God.
Word. That's how if you make out another man turn billionaire. That's how if you make this song a song of the year. That's how if you make you call your mama for phone. That's call, that's call, yeah. I tell them call it, nigga, on the phone, and you don't come back and go wine. Go back and go wine, I tell them call it, nigga, on the phone, and you don't come back and go ball. Go back and go ball. If the money in the talk, you can call me. But if you look at your side, you don't know me. I want the people that to call it the glory. Man without money, man be like zombie. I charge my phone, power bank day, fuel day for gen, extra phone day. I dey buy the phone, I dey wait the play. Say my help a number, go turn on my way. Call me, I'm available. Grace call me, I'm available. Favor call me, I'm available. If I'm a call me, I'm available. Call of favor, call you ever surprise my neighbor. You are because you call. I want to chop the fruit of my labor.